Half Moon Caye is a coral reef atoll about 50 miles offshore from Belize and 50 miles south of the tourist areas of Caye Caulker and Ambergris Caye. It's a significant boat ride, and people usually visit it after diving the Blue Hole. It was once farmed for coconuts, but has now become a national monument.
We live here. We do the protective area out here now for the Half Moon Caye and the Blue Hole National Monument.
Booby, excellent, is a member of the order of birds that includes pelicans, cormorants, gannets, and frigates. And the magnificent frigate bird and the red-footed booby share a rookery on Half Moon Caye. The boobies are there for about 10 months of the year. They are very awkward birds. The word booby means dunce in Spanish because they would present themselves to the Spanish sailors, landing on the boat and being quickly provisioned as food. However, they are magnificent in the air and are great swimmers and divers. The magnificent frigate bird, on the other hand, is a kleptoparasite. That is to say, it's a pirate of the air. It's often called the pirate of the Caribbean because it will swoop down at high speed and with its talons grab another bird, such as the red-footed booby, and shake it until it drops its food, and then spiral down and grab the food before it hits the water. These birds like to live in the ziricote trees. Half Moon Caye at one point was farmed for coconuts, and the ziricote trees were removed.